In this video, we want to prove a quick number theory statement. And it's actually not too hard once you see the trick. So we want to prove that if n in the natural numbers is the sum of two squares, so is 2n, meaning that 2n can also be written as the sum of two squares. So we are given an n, and we know that n can be written as a squared plus b squared, where a and b are in the natural numbers. And now we need to show that 2n can also be written as the sum of the squares of two natural numbers. So let's just go ahead and multiply both sides of this equation by 2, giving us that 2n is the same as 2a squared plus 2b squared. And now we'll apply a very useful trick, namely we'll just add 0. Wow. But we can further rewrite this as 2a squared plus 2b squared plus 2ab minus 2ab, because that's still 0. And of course, the left-hand side of our equation doesn't change at all. But notice that 2a squared and 2b squared can also be written as a squared plus b squared plus b squared. And if we just change the order of our terms a little bit, we get a squared plus 2ab plus b squared plus a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. But of course, we recognize that this can be written as a plus b squared plus a minus b squared. And if a is smaller than b, we could also write this as b minus a, and we would have a natural number. And in fact, we have shown that 2n can also be written as the sum of two squares. By the way, you could also try to generalize this result a bit. Namely, you could show that if n is the sum of two squares, then 2mn, where m is a natural number, can be written as the sum of m squares. But we won't do that here.